Hello students, good morning everyone. See, appreciation of poem is from section 3, which is poetry, and for 5 marks you will be having appreciation, which is going to be question 3b. Okay, this is very important, and also you have been issued new guidelines for SSC examination 2020, and henceforth you will be following the same. See, there are certain points which you should know that your poem appreciation should be in paragraph format. Earlier, what was it? It was into a points format. You were supposed to just write the answers in front of these points. Okay, but now it's not like that. Now you have to merge all of these into a paragraph. So these are marking system. You can see here half marks for title of poem and half marks for the poet's right name. You should remember the name. Sometimes you will be already given you will already be given the poem and you will already be given the poet's name, but sometimes you will only be given the poem. And rhyme scheme, for rhyme scheme you have to write like just one line, whether it is free verse or whether the rhyme scheme is ab or AABB. There are certain rhyme schemes. Okay, so for that you will be getting 1 mark. And for figures of speech, there are so many figures of speech in one poem, so you are just supposed to give only one example, and also you can name the figures of speech in that particular paragraph. And then theme or central idea, say this is the weightage one. Here you will be getting 2 marks for writing 2 or 3 lines. So in this way you will be getting total 5 marks for appreciation. Okay, so today we are going to do appreciation for the first poem, where the mind is without fear. So first of all, you should know the poem. The poem is actually a prayer which is written by Rabindranath Tagore, and we have already done the poem. Okay, so figures of speech which you should know, because despite the matter of fact that you have to write only one figures of speech, you should know what are the figures of speech but in this present in this poem. Okay, so first of all, I think where this clear stream of reason has not lost its way. See, here reason, it has been compared to clear stream. Clear stream मतलब स्वच्छ धारा, जहाँ पर साफ पानी बह रहा है या समथिंग इस तरीके से. क्लियर स्ट्रीम का मतलब होता है कोई चीज जो साफ साफ समझ में आए. So here reason has been compared to clear stream. This is why this is example of metaphor, right? इसके अलावा even this also dreary desert, sand of dead habit, where dreary desert has been compared to dead habit. So this is also an example of metaphor. Other than this, see, last line, where my father led my country away. Here the speaker, that is the poet Rabindranath Tagore, is referring to God or maybe his father. We have no idea, but here we are considering he's speaking to God. But at the same time, he's speaking to someone who is absent and someone who cannot respond. Okay, so here when someone cannot respond and is being talked to, that is the example of apostrophe. Okay, so these are basics. Let's go into our appreciation according to this format, how we should write for SSC examination. See, where the mind is without fear, paragraph format for revision. Okay, for revision, these are just synopsis that what you are supposed to write in this a particular appreciation. Title, you have to give the right title and poem. Then rhyme scheme, obviously it is free verse, you cannot see any rhyme scheme in this poem. Figures of speech, there are many: personification, repetition, metaphor, alliteration. I'll be giving you examples. I already told you what is metaphor. Okay, and repetition, this is very easy, and alliteration you are able to do that. Personification, I have the example, I'll be giving you next slides. Theme or central idea, as we know, this is a prayer, and where poet is wishing for every good thing, every best possible thing for his country. Okay, so this is the appreciation. See, these points which are written in red, these are important ones. On this you will be getting marks. Okay, like the poem where the mind is without fear. What is this? This is the name of your poem, right? And for this you will be getting half marks. And is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So here you will also be getting half marks for the poet's name. Then the poem is written in free verse without any rhyme scheme or meter. Meter is just that उन्होंने कुछ follow नहीं किया है. It is written very freely. There are many figures of speech. Example, whatever we did. In personification, what is the that line which gives perfect example of personification? That is where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. See, आपको एक वो लाइन लिखनी बहुत ज़रूरी है फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच के नाम के साथ, तभी आपको फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच वाले 1 मार्क्स मिलेंगे, वरना नहीं मिलेंगे. आप सिर्फ ये नहीं लिख सकते कि इतने सारे फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच यूज़ किए गए हैं. नो, you have to also give example of that particular line. Now see, यहाँ पे ये personification क्यों है? Here we can actually visualize stretching arms, which is a human behavior. Okay. Now see, this is the central idea or theme. This is the last point. तो या आप 2 लाइन 3 लाइन whatever you think आप अपने हिसाब से बना कर easy से easy way में लिख सकते हो. There is no problem at all. You will be getting marks for it. There is no problem at all. So he is addressing God as his father. Okay. Which he asks him to awaken his country into heaven of freedom, where there is total freedom of positive thoughts, good words, pure actions, etc. He wishes for a country where people are free from fear. Okay, जहाँ पर लोगों को डर नहीं है, जहाँ हर किसी को नॉलेज मिल रही है, जहाँ पे हर पर्सन को डिस्पाइट बीइंग फ्रॉम एनी कास्ट, क्रीड, डिस्पाइट बिलोंगिंग टू एनी रिलीजन, हम सब united hai. The poet also wishes to convey that when people experience the freedom of mind and spirit, only then a country can progress. This is very important central idea of this poem. कि पोएट का ये मानना है कि जब तक लोगों का माइंड फ्री नहीं होता, जब तक लोगों के स्पिरिट फ्री नहीं होते, जब तक वो कुछ करने को फ्री नहीं होते, तब तक एक कंट्री प्रोग्रेस नहीं कर सकती. So I hope this will help you. You can also improvise these things. If you have any further doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.